So hello everyone, today we will learn the insert query with the Python into mysql. So let's start. First we can create here one insert.py page and Python page, or we can type here like similar import mysql connector, so as a SQL. So I think so this is right connector. Spelling mistake is here happens again. Connector. Yeah, we'll check. Yeah, this happens with me. So connector. And second scenario is we can type here like db is equals to SQL dot connect, and we can give the host is equals to local host. Similar way, we can give the user is equals to root password is equals to abcd 1 2 3 4. This is my, and we can give here database like test db we are using, and similar way auth plugin. So simple is equals to mysql native password simply, and we can give here like db, not db, we can use here c is equals to db dot cursor, and we can use like c dot execute like insert into, we can use the insert into emp like only name, and values is we can give the Raj. So simple. And after that we can do here like db dot commit, and I know you know the commit in a mysql. So after that we can close this one, db dot close. So simple. And before this we can use like print add name successfully simply. And now we can check, use here like python main, not main, insert.py and check. Oh, give us the execute spelling mistake again. Execute simply and check. Yeah, add name successfully. So we can check here again using the python main.py, and yeah, Raj is there. So Raj is there. We can check a new one with Sheetal and insert again. Yeah, and again we can check. Yeah, Sheetal is there. So nice. This is the way to insert data in a table. So here we can do the dynamic also, like we can use this one and give the plus symbol, and we can use name plus and this. So simple. And in a name is equals to, we can use string Priya simply, and we can insert successfully and we can check. Yeah, Priya is there. So this is the way to make insert static and dynamic. So if you have any query, please do the comment and please enjoy the Python series. So keep enjoying and do the fun. Thanks for watching. Thank you so much.